Sponsored by rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 85% on prescription drugs. rxcardclub.com. Optomap eye exam does not dilate the pupil. Optomap is a technology that allows for viewing the retina without the use of dilating eye drops. While Optomap is a useful tool, it does not completely replace the need for a traditional dilated eye exam. Optomap has limitations in viewing the full peripheral retina. Optomap images are immediately available, which can help screen for more common retinal issues. However, it should not be used as a full substitute for a comprehensive dilated eye exam. Many patients dislike the experience of having their eyes dilated, so Optomap may be a preferred alternative for some. But doctors still recommend getting a full dilated eye exam on a regular basis. rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 80% on prescription drugs.